National Weather Service in Mobile has issued a tornado warning for Central Mobile County in southwestern Alabama, West Central Baldwin County in southwestern Alabama, until 12:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 11:57 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Mobile Regional Airport for 6 miles northwest of Tillman's Corner, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Midtown Mobile and Mobile Regional Airport around noon Central Daylight Time. Pritchard and I-65 and I-165 around 12:05 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Downtown Mobile and Chickasaw around 12:10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 12:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Alabama: Baldwin and Mobile,